Take shaving cream and spray it all around the bathtub. Take a rubber or regular broom and scrub the bathtub thoroughly until it's clean. Then rinse off with water. Take the shaving cream and spray the toilet brush to clean it. Spray it on and let it sit for a while. When it's complete, the shaving cream and the residue will be gone. Take the shaving cream, spray it on a mirror, and use that and a microfiber towel or paper towels to wipe it down.
Dab Murphy oil on a cloth and clean your vehicle interior to give it that brand new look again. Dab some more on a cloth and clean all those fingerprints off your stainless steel appliances. Wipe clean with a dry cloth for a nice polished finish. Fill a bowl with warm water and pour Murphy oil into a separate bowl. Use a toothbrush or cleaning brush to clean your jewelry. Look at those diamonds sparkle. Use the same setup to clean your wicker baskets. I always do this with ones I get from the thrift store. It adds moisture to rejuvenate the wicker and smells great too. Dab Murphy oil on a clean cloth and wipe down your wood furniture. It cleans and polishes. Pour some Murphy oil into a mop bucket with hot water and clean your floors. This works great on real wood floors too.
Grab some vinegar. Fill a reusable jar full of vinegar. Cut some citrus and peel off the peel. Place the peels into the vinegar. You can add a variety of other herbs. Place the jar into the refrigerator. After a week, open up a spray bottle, strain out and discard the peels and the rosemary and the other herbs you're using, and use this mixture to clean your tables and other surfaces. Add 1 3/4 cups of water to a bowl, 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of Dawn dish soap. Grab any old pitcher and place some paper towels into the pitcher. Take your mixture and pour it into the center of the paper towels. Let it sit, then remove the center paper towel piece. You've now created disposable cleaning wipes. Wipe up your table and discard the paper towel. Keep the lid on to keep them from drying out. Add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of rubbing alcohol. Add a few drops of Dawn dish soap. Mix all of these ingredients together and pour the mixture into the spray bottle. Grab whatever steam mop you have. Fill it up with distilled water. Grab a reusable microfiber cloth. Wring out all of the excess water and make sure to wring it out well. And clip it into place on your steam mop. Once the steam mop is ready, you can use the reusable mop pad to clean your floor. You can spot treat with the mixture that you made by spraying it onto sticky residue, mud, dirt, any grease and grime. Once you're done, remove the pad, throw it in the laundry, and it's ready to reuse next time.
I used a funnel and I poured 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 a cup of coconut oil, or you can use olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of dish soap, and then 30 drops of fragrance or essential oils. After that, I replaced the spray nozzle on top and now it's ready to go. I used a microfiber cloth to apply the cleaner with. To use this leather cleaner, you're going to want to test out an inconspicuous spot on your couch first to make sure it works. I use my do-it-yourself leather cleaner to clean my entire vintage leather sofa.
Start by placing the tube into the sock. Put rice into the sock through the tube. Add a rubber band to the end to keep it closed. Place the sock into the microwave and warm it up for about 1 minute. Pull the sock out and place it inside your bed. This will warm up your sheets in your bed for when you crawl inside. If you have cold air leaking in through your doors, grab an old towel, fold it in half, and then roll it up. Grab 2 rubber bands and put them on either end to hold it closed. Place it in front of your door to stop that cold air from sneaking in. Grab some tape from the dollar store and use it to seal your windows. Place the tape on the top, the bottom, and the sides of the window to seal any leaking air in. You can also insulate windows by using some bubble wrap. Start by spraying some water onto the window and then add the bubble wrap. This will help keep your windows insulated and your house warmer during the winter time. Grab 2 terracotta pots. Start with a trivet. Place your tea light onto the trivet. Place the apple peeler upside down onto the trivet. Place the small terracotta pot, then place the large terracotta pot over the small terracotta pot. Place somewhere to keep you nice and warm. Grab some vegetable oil and a paper towel. Put the vegetable oil on the paper towel and rub it onto your shovel. The vegetable oil will stop the snow from sticking to the shovel, making it nice and easy for removal. Place sponges in the bottom of your refrigerator baskets to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh and help them last longer. The sponges will soak up any unwanted water or other moisture. Wrap a sponge in 2 different places around the handle and hold it in place with a rubber band. Place your hands on the sponges and begin shoveling, raking, or sweeping. It'll protect your hands from getting blisters. Grab some shaving cream from the dollar store. Sometimes odors sneak out from the bottom of our toilets. Take the shaving cream and spray it all along the crease of your toilet. With your rubber glove, spread it on so it covers and seals that whole opening. Let it set for approximately 10 minutes. You've now eliminated odors that were hiding underneath of your toilet between the seal and the toilet tank. Grab some Fabuloso from the dollar store. With a sharp object, poke a couple holes into the item. Place the cleaner inside the tank. A little bit of the Fabuloso will be released and will help clean your toilet. Grab a spray bottle. Fill the spray bottle with 3/4 water. Take a cap full of Downy and place it into the spray bottle. Replace the lid, give it a little shake, and you've created a wonderful air freshener that you can use anywhere in your home. Grab a small bowl, place a little bit of vanilla extract into the bowl. Also add a little bit of water. Place the bowl onto a baking sheet and place the baking sheet in an oven. Close the oven door and turn the oven on approximately 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. This will help your house smelling fresh as the vanilla extract aroma fills your home.
We're gonna go to the grout on the floor. Oh, it gets so dirty. All you have to do is take some toilet bowl cleaner, especially the gel formula. Go ahead and place it on the grout and let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and grab you one of those old toothbrushes and you're gonna give it a good scrubbing and you're gonna start seeing the color change. Grab a sponge, wipe it all up, and look at the difference. It restored that grout to its original color. How about a shower head that doesn't work correctly or has rust stains on it? What you have is mineral deposits inside the shower head. Just take a baggie, pour some vinegar in there. Take that bag, place it over your shower head, secure it with a clip or a rubber band, and you're gonna let it sit overnight. As you can see on the next day, a lot of that mineral deposits came through and is sitting in the bag. Remove the bag, go ahead and take a sponge, wipe it all off. It gets rid of the rust stains, and look at that. That shower head works perfectly.
So here's the big secret. Every pool noodle has a hole in it. So I'm gonna stick the pool noodle onto the faucet like this. Next, I take the other end of the pool noodle and I hold it down so that it aims in the center of the bucket. I turn the water on slowly and I just wait to fill the bucket to the level I want. Now, how easy is this? Now I'm ready to get mopping. Now, a lot of people have trouble with drafts coming in under doors. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take a pool noodle and I'm gonna measure my door. What I picked up was a pillowcase from the dollar store. I'm gonna take this pool noodle, stick it inside. I'm gonna lay it back down on the table so it's nice and flat. I'm gonna go ahead and just wind it. So I'm gonna put a little dab of hot glue here, and then I'm just gonna run this along the edge. So this end is open because this is the top of the pillowcase. So all I'm gonna do is stick the pillowcase into the hole. Velcro adhesive. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel off the adhesive and I'm gonna place it. Now I have peeled the backing off and I'm going to stick it to door. Here it is on the door. And I can still open and close the door with ease. So what I've got here is a pool noodle from an old project that's already cut. And then what I need to do from here is just take a pen or a pencil or marker and just kind of mark where this spot is. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a slit into about half of the pool noodle. Next, I'm gonna flip the noodle over and I've got these great little picture holder strips and you're gonna wanna put it on the back side of where each of these are. So I start by peeling the backing off. And now I stick and press it on the wall and I need to wait 30 seconds at minimum. I just open the pool noodle like so and I stick my broom handle inside. Here they are all hung up and I'm just absolutely thrilled with how easy this was and how it turned out.